Tokai Spring Industries Inc. was born in Osaka City and was incorporated in 1944. Now, Tokai Spring manufactures our springs at Toyooka Kamishidai Factory in Toyooka City, Hyogo Prefecture, a land rich in its natural environment and also home to the beautiful Oriental storks. Just some of our springs that are manufactured here are our giant hot-formed coil springs, our small but special cold-formed coil springs, our high-spec and able to support high-load disc springs, and our leaf springs, which come in numerous shapes and sizes for a variety of functions. At Tokai Spring, we can manufacture any kind of spring. Impossible isn't part of our vocabulary. Our spring making style is based on the ability of our craftsmen to make springs by hand. As a result, orders in small lots of 1 or 2 springs are our normal. No matter the order, we always work to your schedule. It is our mission to solve the problems of those who are troubled by springs. This has been our core philosophy since our founding, and it continues to flow through everything we do at Tokai Spring. This is why, at Tokai Spring, we continue to rely on our craftsmen's handmade style. Because we receive problems such as, the spring in my beloved lighter that I've been using for years has broken. The spring in my old mailbox is broken. I liked it a lot. I want to replace a spring with a new one to improve the performance of my machine, but I don't have any drawings. Can you make just one prototype spring for a new product development in a laboratory? Our technical services are available 24 hours a day to help you with any inquiries regarding your spring issues. We also have a database that helps us immediately respond to your request, even if you want to reorder a spring that was made 10 years ago. We have introduced various mechanisms to help us respond to clients who are troubled by springs more quickly and accurately. At our Toyooka Kamishidai factory, the leaders of the next generation work side by side with skilled craftsmen and engineers to challenge themselves to find better solutions to create the most difficult springs. We have a brickwork building called Keishokan, where Tokai Spring's handmade philosophy and skills are passed on to the younger generation. Keishokan is a symbol of Tokai Spring's determination to continue our handmade work forever. Here, on top of our daily work, we conduct in-house skill tests that we take pride in as being among the most difficult skill tests in Japan, in order to furnish our craftsmen with the best skills. Keishokan is a place that any spring craftsman would long for. Our engineers at the factory also conduct experiments to develop springs that can be used in high temperatures of up to 700 degrees Celsius and low temperatures of nearly -200 degrees Celsius. We are driving forward the realization of utmost quality. And by solving many of these challenges, we become true experts in the field. We believe in the pride and joy of making springs. We find our own happiness in this, and it's the main driving force of our mission to help our clients. For that reason, we always seek to offer our employees opportunities for self-development. The most important thing for us is to create a joyful experience together. Starting as products for individual clients, Tokai Springs products are used in industries as varied as the power and energy industries, industrial machinery and earthquake countermeasures, and in satellites and rockets in aerospace. For our clients, we keep working on becoming the best that we can be.